Okay. This is definitely Leilani through and through. Ah! And just a big ol' fluff ball. Whoops. Whoops. It's better. Alright. But Leilani, she's always got a Switch on hand. She's almost always playing Switch while watching. So we've got to include that. Right, analog stick is on the bottom. Alright, so she's always got her Switch. And big old Jigglypuff eyes. You love it already? Good. Going to lose a friend here. Jiggly got nothing on Kirby. I don't know, bro. How dare you? How dare you? No Kirby fans in my chat. He's too round. All my homies in the Square Gang hate Kirby. Alright, alright. This arm kind of makes it look like she's swole. I mean, it's meant to be the hand. Ah! Let me make some corrections here, don't mind me. What? Oh no, how do I draw Jigglypuff arms? What is happening? Disaster. Alright, hold on, hold on. I'm gonna reapproach this arm from a new angle. Okay, that's a bit better. I'll go with that. Jigglypuff is the only circle, exactly. Happy, I feel giddy. Okay, good. But here's the thing. One thing we know about Jigglypuff, about Leilani, she's constantly being bombarded by red shells and green shells. We have to represent that somehow. And unfortunately, it's about to happen again. So there is a shell approaching. Get my butt abused by shells, exactly. Ah! Perfect. Alright, so that's coming in. Coming in hot. And she is getting warned about it, which is why she's so upset. Right? This is a little warning that comes up to let you know that there's a shell coming up behind you. Perfect. And now, poor Leilani's glutes. I was playing some Mario Maker 2 with friends and a big streamer raided us, and the shenanigans that followed, I wish I had the clip for it, I cried laughing. Oh, I didn't realize when you play Mario Maker 2 with friends you're doing it on stream. That's awesome, Rosehip. That's why you haven't been sleeping. You've been playing Mario Maker, you cheeky Square Gang member. Right, yeah, that's pretty much that's Leilani right there, yeah. I'm pretty happy with that. Does anyone have any other ideas for what we should put on there? Who is this little pink Pokemon fella again in your avatar stream that I usually end up as? That would be Jigglypuff, yeah, that's what we're talking about. Are you gonna add color to your MS Paint portraits like you did recently? No. No, Zeke got very special, very special consideration for that. I'm pretty sure this is about done. Yeah. Only Zeke. Only Zeke. Only my special boyfriend Zeke gets that kind of privilege. Alright, so now I just gotta... Lonnie. You love it? Good. It's not the best, but I'm glad you're happy. I'm really not happy with the hair, actually. I need to redo their hair. Alright, let's try that again. It needs to be bigger. Not quite. That's better. Now I'm happy. Yeah, okay. Let's give her some color. Why not? Why not? You're special enough. That is not the right pink. But we also need to fill in that eye as well. Brilliant. Okay. Edit colors. Need to make it lighter. That's it. That's the stuff. That's perfect. And it's basically just black in here. That stays white. And that is Jigglypuff. Let's make sure that it's clear there's a red shell. Perfect. I don't know what color your switch is. But that's a heckin' Jigglypuff slash Leilani if I ever saw one. Alright. TSG. And hey, today I can mark it as the 12th of the 9th. And it'll be correct. Alright. Done. Can't believe blue shell and green shells won't give warnings. Exactly, it has to be a red one. Could do a whole drawing stream. I don't know if I have the patience. Been lurking for hours? Welcome, Sono Hedge. Good to see you. I did see you drop in right at the start and said you were lurking. What's up with the paint going on here? Leilani cashed in the MS Paint reward, that's why. Freaking love it, dude. I'm like cry giggling over here. Good. Freaking amazing. It'll do. I've never had a single lesson, guys. Never had a single lesson. There you go, Leilani. Let me drop that in the art channel for you. Beautiful. I'm happy. I hope you're happy. Now I have to draw a goat. Freaking goat. For proper Barn Star. Work out how to connect iPad and use Procreate. Well,